In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a clear ChatGPT prompt for a Sage accounting training video script for small business owners. If you want ChatGPT to give you a useful script, the key is to be specific from the beginning. Instead of asking for a general video script, start by defining exactly who the video is for and what role ChatGPT should play. In this case, you'll want to tell ChatGPT to act as an accounting instructor and explain that the audience is small business owners. Then clearly state the topic you want covered, which is how to manage invoices in Sage Accounting. This helps the response stay focused, practical, and appropriate for beginners who may not be familiar with accounting language. Next, guide the structure of the output. Rather than receiving one large block of text, ask ChatGPT to organize the script into clear sections. You can request an intro hook to open the video, screen action notes to describe what should appear visually, a voiceover script that can be read aloud naturally, and a call to action to close the video. Giving this structure up front makes the result much easier to use for production, especially if you're pairing narration with on-screen software demonstrations. After that, make sure you ask for step-by-step navigation inside Sage Accounting. This is especially important for tutorial-style content. You want the script to include clear menu paths, such as where a user would click in the software to create or manage an invoice. Requesting navigation paths helps turn a general explanation into a hands-on guide that viewers can actually follow while watching the video. It also reduces confusion and makes the lesson more practical for business owners who need direct instructions. Once the first draft is generated, take a moment to review and refine it. Ask ChatGPT to simplify any accounting jargon and make the language more conversational. This is a useful final step because even accurate information can feel difficult to follow if it sounds too technical or formal. A smoother, friendlier tone will make the script easier to understand when read aloud by an AI voice. By following this approach, you'll be able to create a stronger prompt and get a more polished training script in return. Define the audience, request the right sections, include clear Sage accounting navigation, and then refine the wording for clarity. That simple process will help you generate a script that sounds natural, stays organized, and is much more useful for your final video.